In the quiet town of Maplewood, where the scent of cinnamon once danced through the streets, Amelia's world had fallen apart. But then, something unexpected happened. A curious girl named Maya appeared, and suddenly everything changed. Follow along as we unravel the tale of rediscovery, where old dreams mix with the scent of pies baking in the oven, and where a simple recipe becomes the key to a brand new chapter. Amelia clutched the worn steering wheel, her knuckles white. The diner she loved was closed and the town was empty. Doubt gnawed her. Amelia had been a baker, her cinnamon rolls legendary. But with the bakery gone, what was she now? Just then, a young girl no older than 10 skipped by, a tattered book tucked under her arm. "Excuse me, ma'am," she chirped. "Do you know where I can find some wild berries?" Amelia, surprised by the question, pointed vaguely towards the woods at the edge of town. "There might be some by the creek, but be careful." The girl Maya grinned. "Careful's my middle name, thanks. I am making a pie for the bake sale at school." A pie? Amelia's heart ached. It had been years since she had baked one. Yet, watching Maya's infectious enthusiasm, a spark ignited within her. Maybe, just maybe, there was still something she could learn. That afternoon, Amelia found Maya by the creek, a basket overflowing with berries. Maya's eyes widened at the sight of Amelia. "You are a baker, aren't you?" Amelia sheepishly admitted her past. Maya's face lit up. "Can you teach me how to make a pie?" And so, under the shade of an old oak, Amelia began to teach. Her hands, a little rusty at first, kneaded the dough with practiced ease as she explained each step. Maya, an eager student, soaked it all in. As the sweet aroma of baking berries filled the air, a weight lifted from Amelia's shoulders. Sharing her knowledge wasn't just about the pie. It was about reigniting a passion she thought lost. Later, at the school bake sale, Amelia watched with pride as Maya presented their creation. It wasn't perfect, but it was theirs. An older woman approached, a knowing smile on her face. "That pie looks delicious, dear. You must be Amelia's student." News travels fast in a small town. Soon, Amelia found herself teaching a small baking class at the community center. Her students, young and old, came with a thirst to learn, and Amelia with a newfound joy in sharing. It had thrown her a curveball, but by staying open to learning, she had not only rediscovered her passion but also found a way to connect with her community. The boarded up diner might have been a symbol of loss, But the aroma of baking in the community center was a testament to the enduring power of learning, no matter your age. After all, life never stops teaching, and as long as you are willing to learn, you will never stop growing. Hope you have all liked this beautiful story. For more such motivational stories, do subscribe this channel.